Good morning everybody, it's Ms. Abhi Karim from Standard 8. Welcome to our channel Maths Group. So in this video, I am going to solve exercise 3C of question number 14. If I made any mistake, then please forgive me. So the question number first is telling that find the value of each of the following by using the following method. So the values are given, we have to find it by the following method. So first number question is telling that we have to find of 23 as well. So I 1, 2, 3 headed as respectively, and we have to apply the formula. We know that formula a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. A square, a value is 2 and b value is 3. And we will do from b square because any multiply we do like 23 into 23. So we do from, it is a and it is b. So we do from b square. So we will do here from b square, and b value is given here 3. So 3 square will become 9. And here given 2 into a into b. It means that 2 into a value and b value will multiply. So 2 into a value is 2 into b value is 3. So it will multiply. So 2 to the 4, 4 is 12. So here it will 12. You can multiply and see, and a value is 2. So 2 square will 4 and 4. And this one digit, like if there are two numbers, then it come to here by the ones digit, and this ones digit come here. So here is not a number. So this one digit come here, 4 plus 1, it will 5. So this the value of 23 square will 5, 9, 2. This one we will not write because 1 is added here, and 5. So 529 is the right answer. For checking this answer, I am multiplying 23 into 23. So 3 to the 9, 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4. So 9, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So you can see it is the right answer. It is a square of 529, 23. As the same numbers we will do of other questions. Question number 2 is 35 square. So a value is equal to 3 and b value is equal to 5. So we will do from b square. I have told why we will do from b square, and b square is 5. And we know that 5 square is 25. And 2 into a into b means 2 into a value and b value multiplied. So 2 into a value is 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5 means 3 to the 6, 6 5 is 30. 30 plus this one digit will come here. So 30 plus 2 it will 2 and 3, 32. And there is 1 square, and 1 square is 3. So 3 square will become 9. 9 plus this digits, this one digit will come here. So 9 plus 3 it will 9, 10, 11, 12. And so the square of 35 will 5. This 2 we will not write because this is added by 30. So it will 2 and 2, 1. So 25 is the right answer. I hope you are understanding. As the same process we will make other question. Now the second question is, so question number 2 is find the value of each of the following by using the diagonal method. So question number first is 67 square. So 67 square we will write in terms. So in horizontally we will write 67, and in vertically we will also write 67. And now we will multiply them. So 6 is 36. So 3 here, and below we will write 6. And here 6 7s are 42. So we will multiply from the left side. So 6 7s are 42. So 4 here and 2 will go below. And 7 6 are 42. So 4 here and 2 will write below side. And 7 7s are 49. So 4 here and below we will write 9. And now the term is to add them. Only internal numbers we add, not the external numbers. So we will make arrow to add them. And now the 9 is 9, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 6 plus 4, 10, and 10 plus 4, 14. And 3, and this 1 will go in the carry of 3. So 3 plus 1 it will 4. And now the 67 square will 9. We will write from. So the 67 7 square is equal to 9, 8, 4, 4. We will not write 1 because 1 we have to save in the carry of 3. So 4, 4, 8, 9 is the right answer. For 2 you can multiply it 67 into 2 times. Like 67 into 67. So 7 7 49. So 9 4 will carry 6 7 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. And 6 7 42. So 2 4 carry 1 6 30, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 9, 6, 7, 8, 4, 4. You can see it is the right answer. Now the second question. I hope you can solve question number 6. It was like question number 5. Now I am solving the question number 7. And 7 question is in the 3 number. Like 1, 37. In horizontally we will write 1, 3, and then 7. And vertically we will also write 1, 37. Now we will multiply from the left side. So 1 means a 1. When multiply, if there come only one number, so in first digit we will write 0. And here 1. And 1 3 is a 3, so 0 and then 3. And 1 3 is a 7, so it will also 0 by 7. And now 3 1 is a 3, means upper side 0 and this is 3. And 3 is a 9, so 0 and 9. And 3 is a 21, so 2 and in there 1. And 7 is a 7, it means 0, 7. Or 7 is a 21, so 2 or 1. And 7 is a 49, it means 4 or 9. Now the term is to add them. So let's add. We will firstly make the arrow to add them. So 9 will 9 and 4 on 5 and 6 and 7 7 14 15 16 20 18 18 plus 9 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 20 1 will here 2 27 and here 3 3 6 and these 2 will go in the carry of that. So 6 plus 2 it will 8. And here 1 6 plus 1 6 plus 2 it will 8. And here 1 will 1 and here 0 will 0. So the 130. So 137 square we will write from that side. So 9 6. So that 137 square we will write from that side. So 9 6 7 9 6 7 8 1. So 1 8 7 6 9 is the right answer. Similarly, you can solve the question number 8. If you have any doubt, then do comment. And if you like my video, then please subscribe and share to your friends also. And